Hi everybody, nice to be with you today. Today I have an amazing scenario here in Make.com. I will try to explain how to use this amazing model DeepSeek R1 inside of Make.com in your automation. This video is divided in two parts. The first one, I will try to explain a little bit what is the scenario about it. And the second part, I will try to explain how to build it from the scratch. I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive more news and don't lose any new information about this amazing world of AI. So back again to our scenario. Here we have our scenario where we are expecting some email using this functionality of Make.com webhook custom mail hook. What is this about? When you send email using a specific address from Make.com, they will catch that they will process inside your scenario. As you see here, when the email arrives inside of Make.com, OpenRouter will take care of that email and will automatically summarize that email. As you can see here, we are using this OpenRouter. If you don't know what is OpenRouter is an important provider that give you the users a lot of possibility to use many large language models. And in this particular case today, we will use DeepSeek R1. This is amazing model, and even in some cases, it's much better than the proper GPT-01 from OpenAI, but more cheaper. So back again to our scenario. First of all, we need to create our webhook email. For this, you need to click here and search for, and after that, you need to choose, for example, this custom mail hook. This will automatically create the webhook for your email address. So as you see here, Make.com, where you can forward your emails that you want to this email. So we need to save it, of course. After that, we need to add the module of OpenRouter in order to summarize your emails. You need to click here and you need to search for OpenRouter. As you see here, this is the first option. You need to click here. Let me put here. You need to search, refresh. You see here, this is the new model. It shows here. And also you need to input two to the model. One is you need to choose for the system. And for content, let me copy this because I have it here. You need to specify this in the system message from the model to indicate that you are a digital email assistant that helps the user to create a summary of the email field. After that, you are ready to go and you only need to save it. So right now we are completely ready for this email. So let me try to activate it right now and try to copy the email address here. This is important to not forget it, save it and browse once. So let me try to send one email for my account. Just a minute. Okay. I have here the address. Let me put here and send the email right now. Now we need to wait a little bit that Make.com receive properly the email. I just send the email. Let me see. Sometimes you need to wait a little bit because, the sending the email is not properly faster, but okay. We just receiving the email. Right now, the OpenRouter is processing the email using this new model, DeepSeek R1. We need to wait a little bit to see what is the result of this processing. I believe the DeepSeek R1 is not so faster than another models, but I believe it's good enough in order to have important tasks that are more related with the reasoning. You know what I mean? This is one of the models you can think about it when you need this kind of activities. Okay, it's almost there. It takes a little bit about to processing the email. Okay, nice. Everything was okay. Let me click here. So this is the result of processing of the summarization of the email using this model. So we can go here to the choices and see what is the response. You see here the message, the content, and you will see here that all the response from the model. And here you have the summarization of the email. One important thing that you will find out when you are processing the result of the DeepSeek R1, they are also included the process of syncing. So you need to be very careful when you are processing this response because you need, maybe you want to only only return this with the proper summary. So in order to do that, you need to process this message in order to replace this sync in order like an empty string, something like that. So guys, I hope that you like so much this quick tip how to use this amazing model DeepSeek R1 inside of the Make.com. See you. Bye.